From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, welcome to a Friday edition of the program. And you know what we do here on Friday is we say hello to Andrew Reinhardt from Valley View Medical Clinic to give you some assistance, gentlemen, where you need it most. Andrew, how are you?
Hey, I am good. How are you today, Lou?
We are doing great. Now, we've been talking a lot about what Valley View Medical Clinic in Pleasant Hill does. It's amazing the way they can turn lives around. But we're talking about intimacy, and we're talking about the fact that maybe in your relationship, the love hasn't faded, but maybe the way to express your love has had some difficulties, and that's where you step in.
Yes, it certainly is. Men, we always kind of have this drive, but sometimes the body doesn't cooperate. The blood flow doesn't cooperate. Now, I believe this is a major medical breakthrough. It's a game changer. Men struggling with erectile dysfunction are pretty used to the pill. I think those days are over. Valley View Medical Clinic uses a technology called wave therapy. Here's what it does. It delivers very gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, causing clinically those blood vessels to open up and expand. As you can imagine, that does great things to life in the bedroom, more blood flow. We've helped a lot of guys get rid of the erectile dysfunction without the use of pills.
You're exactly right. In your mind, you might have that drive, functioning, and again, it's honestly, let's be real honest here, Andrew. It's a macho thing where guys need to perform where they need to perform best, and a lot of times it's just a physical ailment that you have that can be corrected.
Yeah, that's right. And it isn't the guy's fault. This is a medical condition, damaged blood vessels, restricted blood flow. It's a physical problem. It needs a physical solution. We have treated men from age 20 to age 90. So it's so much more normal than you think. We can get the intimacy back. We can get rid of those pills, get the blood flowing in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
And this is nothing that anybody should be embarrassed about, because this is something that will probably happen to all the guys.
I think so. I think all men at some point, it's coming for us, guys. All men will get ED. So you're more normal than you think. And don't be embarrassed. We have a discreet and confidential environment. And keep in mind, it only requires a few treatments that are 10 minutes apiece. Think about that. In a couple weeks, you could be done with this.
All right. And how long is the treatment process? You said a couple weeks, 10 minutes, but you can really start to see some results rather quickly from what we understand.
Yeah. You can. It's a pretty short window. A lot of guys do a session and report progress pretty quickly, starting with the first treatment, and it gets better and better throughout those 2 weeks. It's a lunch break treatment. You come in on your lunch break, you'll walk out feeling totally normal.
Okay, so you're saying throw away the pills. You don't need those. You don't need to be dependent on the pills and try to play the timing game. That doesn't work. No injections, no surgery. It is pain-free. And now, even better, there's another four-letter word that goes along with it, and it's free, F-R-E-E, because you have a very special offer.
That's right. It is free. Now, 70% of men with erectile dysfunction do not seek treatment for a lot of the reasons we talked about. Let's change that. Let's get the relationship back to where it can be. Call us now. You'll qualify for the exam, the assessment. We'll do the ultrasound for free. A gift also that produces immediate results in the bedroom. That's worth the trip, guys. Now, it's worth hundreds of dollars. Call us now. We'll do it all totally free.
Now, Andrew, what does that ultrasound, what will that reveal?
Well, it will reveal the strength of blood vessels. We want to make sure that the ED is a blood flow issue, maybe not something else. So maybe for the first time, you'll get a score on your blood flow. I've had this done a bunch of times. It's really cool to know that.
All right, that's a great idea. And it doesn't cost you anything, but you do have to call them. It is 515-300-300 and then 5555 right there in Pleasant Hill. Easy access. And like you said, you can take care of it over your lunch break and be done with a session. That is so easy and convenient, Andrew.
Yes, it's easy. It's convenient. And a lot of guys say, I thought this would be worse than what it really was. It was pain-free, comfortable, and the results have been powerful.
And when you get done, you'll be asking yourself, why did I wait so long to do this, right?
You got it. And we hear that all the time. Men delay, they take the pill, they deal with the side effects, the headaches. This is the first and only thing that treats the root cause of the problem.
That is awesome. Get rid of all the side effects, get rid of all the things that keep you from enjoying yourself, and start having fun again and bring the intimacy back to your relationship. Andrew Reinhardt from Valley View Medical Clinic, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.